Hello students, today we will take differentiation of logarithmic function. Now logarithmic differentiation means when the function is of the type product, when y is of the type f of x into g of x, or when y is of the type quotient y equal to f of x upon g of x, or y equal to f of x raised to g of x. Means when the function is of the type product. Okay, when function is of the type quotient, or when function is of the type exponential form. When this type of function occurs, then differentiation we have to use by logarithmic way. Now how we have to use? Now see here students, when function is product, take log on both sides. Okay, when you take log, it will be log y equal to log f of x into g of x, and apply properties of logarithm. We know that logarithmic of product is sum of the products, logarithmic of quotient term is difference of the product, and logarithmic of exponent terms, this power will come to the base. In this way we have to use the logarithmic differentiation. First of all, you have to apply log, then apply properties of logarithm, and then take logarithmic differentiation. So this is our procedure. Now we will start with the first example. Very simple example I will take. Suppose y equal to x plus 1 square upon x plus 2 cube into x plus 3 raised to 4. I have started with exercise number 1.3. Okay, now see here students, here we have the terms in the type of quotient as well as product, so directly we cannot differentiate thing, it's very tricky. So before that we will take the log on both sides, apply properties of logarithm, and then take the differentiation. So taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides. Okay, so this will become log y. On right hand side it will become log of x plus 1 upon x plus 2 cube into x plus 3 raised to 4. Now keep left hand side as it is. Now here apply properties of log. So first property, when the function is of the type u upon v, log u upon v is log u minus log v, we know. So we will split this function. So log x plus 1 whole square minus log upon denominator is x plus 2 cube into x plus 3 raised to 4. So we have applied log u minus log v, now equal to. Now here students, it is in the form of exponential, so here the power will come to the base. So it is 2 log x plus 1 minus, okay, it will become log x plus 2 cube. Now see here students, it is of the form log u into v. What is log u into v? Log u plus log v. So this will become log of x plus 3 raised to 4. Okay, so this is equal to 2 log x plus 1. Now here I will, now this is power, it will come to the base, so it is minus 3 log x plus 2, minus into plus, minus, this 4 will come to the base, so it is 4 log x plus 3. So in this way we have applied properties of log, and this is our log y. Now taking differentiation on both sides. So now differentiation of log y, differentiation of log y is 1 by y, but we are differentiating with respect to x, so it will be into dy by dx. Always in logarithmic differentiation your left hand side will be like this, 1 upon y into dy by dx equal to 2. Differentiation of log is 1 upon, so it is 1 upon x plus 1 minus 3. Again differentiation is log of 1 upon x plus 2 minus 4. Differentiation of log is 1 upon x plus 3 implies. Now this 1 by y, it on right hand side it will become y into, so our dy by dx equal to y into, now solve this, this is 2 upon x plus 1 minus 3 upon x plus 2 minus 4 upon x plus 3. In the last step you have to put the value of y. Now our y is, this is equation number 1, so y is x plus 1 whole square upon x plus 2 cube into x plus 3 raised to 4. So x plus 3 raised to 4 into the differentiation terms. So in this way we have to perform the logarithmic differentiation, and this is our dy by dx. So first of all you have to take log on both sides, apply properties of log. On left hand side always your term will be 1 by y dy by dx. Here take the differentiation, always take this y to the right hand side, and in the last step put the value of y. So this is our logarithmic differentiation. Now we will move on to next example. Example number 2. Suppose our y is x raised to 5 into tan cube 4x upon sine square 3x. Again students, see here the functions are of the type u into v upon suppose z. So again we have to apply a logarithmic differentiation. So first step is taking log on both sides. So this will become log y equal to log of x raised to 5 into tan cube 4x upon sine square 3x. Now in the next step apply properties of logarithm. So your first term will become log x raised to 5 into tan cube 4x. This is log u upon v. So log u, since it is quotient term, so minus log of sine square 3x. What we have applied? Log u upon v, log u minus log v. Now here see this term, it is log u into v, so log u plus log v. So first term will become log x raised to 5 plus log of tan cube 4x, and this is minus log of sine square 3x. So this will become log x raised to 5 log, now see here power t is cube, so it can be written as tan 4x to the power whole cube. Similarly here students, it is sine square 3x, so it can be written as sine 3x whole square. So here now we have to apply the exponential form rule. The power will come to the base, so it is 5 log x plus 3 log tan 4x minus 3 log sine 3x. So this is our y. So just we have applied here log on both sides, not taking differentiation on both sides. So log y will become 1 by y dy by dx equal to 5. What is differentiation of log x? It is 1 by x plus 3. Again differentiation of log is 1 upon. Our function is tan, so tan 4x. But here students, what is tan 4x? It is composite function. So again you have to take derivative of tan 4x. Whenever the function is other than x, always you have to take its derivative. Minus 3 log of sine 3x. Again differentiation of log is 1 upon. So it is 1 upon sine 3x. But again what is sine 3x? It is composite function. So again derivative of sine 3x, which is equal to, this will become 5 by x plus 3 upon tan 4x into, now derivative of tan is sec square, so sec square 4x. But what is 4x? It is again composite function, so again derivative of 4x minus 3 upon sine 3x. What is derivative of sine 3x? It is cos 3x. But what is 3x? It is composite function, so again derivative of 3x. Now this is equal to 5 by x plus 3 upon tan 4x into sec square 4x into derivative of 4x is simply 4 minus 3 cos 3x upon sin 3x, and derivative of 3x is again only 3. Okay, now here we will solve it. 5 by x. Now students, see here 3 into 4 is 12, so 3 into 4 will become 12. Now 1 upon tan means cot, and cot is sine, cos upon sine. So this tan 1 upon tan can be written as cos 4x upon sine 4x, and sec square 4x means 1 upon cos square 4x, minus 3 into 3 is 9. Cos 3x upon sine 3x is cot 3x. So our last step is 5 by x plus 12. One of the cos get cancelled. So in denominator we have 1 upon sine 4x into cos 4x minus 9 cot 3x. But what is this? 1 by y dy by dx. Now take y to that side, and simultaneously when we take y, we will put y here, put the value of y. So our y is x raised to 5 into tan cube 4x upon sine square 3x. Directly I am taking y and I have put the value of y here into this derivative term, 5 by x plus 12 upon sine 4x into cos 4x minus 9 cot 3x, and this is your dy by dx. Now we will move on to next example, students. Example number 3. Okay, example number 3. So y is sine x to the power x. Now here the function is of the type f of x raised to g of x. So it is in the form of exponential. So we take log on both sides and then differentiate. So taking log on both sides, so this will become log y equal to log of sine x to the power x. Now exponential form is what we will do by applying property of log. We will take this power to the base. So it will become x log sine x, and this is what? Log y. Okay, now taking differentiation, so log y will become 1 by y dy by dx equal to, now here there are two terms, x and log of sine x. So it is in the form of u into v. So differentiation of product is keeping first term constant, taking differentiation of second. So x into derivative of log sine x plus, now log sine x constant into derivative of first function, which is equal to x. Now derivative of log sine x is 1 upon sine x, and derivative of sine x is cos x because it is composite function, plus log of sine x, and derivative of x is 1. Now this is your 1 by y dy by dx. So what will be dy by dx, students? This y will go to here. So y into x into cos upon sine is cot x plus log of sine x. Last step, put the value of y. What is y? Y is sine x to the power x into cos x plus log sine x, and this is our dy by dx. In this way we have to perform logarithmic differentiation. Okay, now we will take examples of 3 to 4 marks. Suppose y equal to log x to the power x minus cos x to the power cot x. Okay, now students, see here there are two terms. Now directly we will not take here differentiation because there is minus sign. We don't have product and quotient. So first of all we have to take y as sum or difference of two function. So suppose this is u, we have minus, so u minus v. Okay, now here I have taken u, this log x to the x, and minus cos x to the power x, cot x I have taken as v. So what will be your dy by dx then? If we apply derivative on both sides, this is du by dx minus dv by dx. Say this is equation number 1. Whenever this type of terms occur, you have to split in terms of u and v, take their differentiation, and separately we will find du by dx, separately we will find dv by dx, and we will put in equation number 1. Where what is our u, students? U is log x to the power x, and what is v? It is cos x to the power cot x, not what we have to find, du by dx. Now here we will apply the same procedure for we have applied for previous examples. Now u is log x to the power x, what we want, du by dx, but the example is of the type logarithmic differentiation. Now here we will apply log on both sides, so you will become log u equal to log of log x to the power x. Now apply properties of log. This power will come to the base, so x into log of log x, and this is what, log u. The same procedure we have to apply as we applied for y. Instead of y, here we have u and v. Now take differentiation. What is differentiation of u? It is 1 by u du by dx. Now here there are two terms, u into v, so differentiation for product, x into derivative of log x plus log of log x constant into derivative of x. Okay students, now x into what is derivative of log x? Differentiation log is 1 upon log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log of log x, differentiation of x is 1. Now here this x get cancelled, so our term will become 1 by log x plus log of log x, and this is what, 1 by u du by dx. Now this u I will take to the right hand side, so your du by dx will become u into. In the last step, put the value of u. U is log x to the power x into 1 by log x plus log of log x. This is your du by dx. Say this is equation number 2. Now we will find dv by dx. Now v equal to cos x to the power cot x. Okay, I will solve here. Rv is cos x to the power cot x. Now apply log on both sides, so log v is log of cos x to the power cot x. Now apply properties of log. This power will come to the base, so cot x into log of cos x, and this is what, log v. Now take differentiation on both sides. It is of the form product, so now log v will become 1 by v dv by dx. Apply differentiation for product, cot x constant. Now derivative of log of cos x plus log of cos x constant into derivative of cot x. Now cot x constant. Now derivative of log cos x. Okay, now derivative of log is 1 by cos x. Log of cos x, cos means composite function, so differentiation of cos is minus sin x. Okay, plus log of cos x. What is differentiation of cot x, students? It is minus cos x square x. Now which is equal to cot x minus sin upon cos is minus tan x plus into minus minus cos x square x into log of cos x. Now cot into tan, they are reciprocal of each other, so we have left with only minus 1, and this is minus cos x square x into log of cos x. Now this is what, our 1 by v dv by dx. Take v2 here, so dv by dx equal to v. Take out minus sign common, so minus v in bracket 1 plus cos x square x into log of, sorry, it is cos x, and this is say your equation number 3. Therefore our equation 1 will become, what is 1? dy by dx equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. Now put the value of du by dx from equation 1. Okay students, so our du by dx is, our du by dx is 1. It is log x to the power x upon 1 by log x plus log of log x. Now students, here we have minus and this minus will become plus. So plus, now substitute the value of v here. V is cos x to the power cot x. In bracket we have 1 plus cos x square x into log of cos x. In this way we have differentiation of u minus v. Okay, so this is a lengthy procedure. This example can be asked for 4 marks. Okay, thank you.